Kelsey and Frankie, this day has finally come. All of us here are very excited to be witnesses to this marriage and the wonderful life you and Frank will create. Always know that your family and friends will be here with you every step of the way.
Kelsey, you're my best friend and the love of my life. Through good times and bad, I will never lose sight of us. I will grow with you, and I will never leave your side. I will hold your hand, especially during takeoffs and turbulence. I promise to keep our life fun and treat every day like a new adventure. Together, you, me, and Opie. You are my everything, and I will never put anyone before you.
As we take the next step in this wonderful life we've created together, I promise to slow down more often and reflect on the work it took us to get to this point, as well as to remember how lucky we are to have found one another. I vow to always be a Yankee fan. I promise to be loyal to you and the team you love and always honor your passions. I love you forever and you are my teammate for life.
I'm looking forward to tomorrow and every day ever after. I will love you with all my heart, Kelsey. Forever.
Frankie and Kelsey's commitment to one another is inspiring. They are truly best friends first, and it brings me nothing but happiness that Kelsey has found someone who loves her as much as Frankie does.
Frank and Kelsey's relationship is truly what the kids these days would call couple goals. Having watched you two both over the last 9 or 10 years has been something I've truly enjoyed. I'm extremely blessed to call you both my friends and ecstatic for you two and Obi to start this new chapter in your life.
that he has found happiness and love with Kelsey. Watching him fall in love with her and seeing how he would go to all lengths to make her happy has shown me a new side of my brother that I've never known. I love you both so much, and I wish you all the happiness and love. Salud, Mr. and Mrs. Diaz.